Okay, I think we're ready to kick it off. Can everyone hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for joining. I am Dean Andrews. I run the developer relations team at InterSystems, and we are going to kick off another InterSystems programming contest. It launches today, April 22nd. It goes through May 19th. We always have kind of a technology topic, and this contest topic is InterSystems Vector Search, Generative AI, and Machine Learning. I will step through some of the quick logistics about the contest, and then I am going to pass it off to Alvin and to Tom to talk a little bit more about our generative AI technology and the IRIS Vector Search. But for some of the details, again, the contest, the duration is right here, April 22nd through May 19th. The prize pool is $14,000. You can develop solutions that involve IRIS, IRIS for Health, or IRIS Cloud SQL, as long as it's using generative AI and machine learning. Oh, yes, and here is a very important point, and it's a little different from some of our other contests. So we at InterSystems are very much interested in promoting and making others aware of our generative AI technology. We just launched the first piece of it earlier this year. And so we have our upcoming global developer conference. It's called Global Summit. It takes place from June 9th through June 12th. And we are looking to bring people who have demos and solutions that are built on IRIS Vector Search. And so this contest will be a source. We are going to look for great demos from this contest, and we have the potential to invite up to 3 people to the conference. We will pay for your pass and other parts of the logistics as well. So take note. There are opportunities here. So the general requirements, as always, that your application is an application or a library that is fully functional. It has to be submitted to our Open Exchange, open source app gallery. It has to work in conjunction with our products, as I mentioned before. It must be open source and published on GitHub. There must be a README, which should be in English, containing the installation steps. You can also do a video demo in addition to other elements in the README. And then a developer can submit more than one application to the contest, but the maximum amount is 3. This is the list of our prizes. We're going to have expert nomination and prizes, and then community winners as well, as we do every time. These are the important deadlines of start and stop. And again, there is a voting period at the end. Here are helpful resources to get you started, both with IRIS Vector Search and integrated ML, and some other helpful applications that already exist, as well as some courses, videos, and additional information. Again, we're super excited about InterSystems generative AI technology. These are super relevant gifts. Let's go, all aboard. And so we're very excited to see what you do. And with that, I will pass it off to Alvin to give us some more information on InterSystems Gen AI technology.
Thank you, Dean. So my name is Alvin. It's nice to meet everyone here. I work on vector search and generative AI at InterSystems. So the big thing that InterSystems has released this year, and we're continuing to improve and push, is our newest vector search feature. So along with our SQL database, vectors are supported right now, and you're able to do vector search super easily alongside your SQL. So you could also do a hybrid search, mixing in SQL statements with semantic search. And what this really allows you to do, and I guess this is just one thing that everyone has seen in the GenAI market right now, is a ton of RAG apps, where it's retrieval augmented generation, where they're using a vector database with some other source data to retrieve relevant bits of information and feeding it back to a large language model. So at InterSystems, in our database, you can put in all your text data and have your embeddings right next to it and query it in one shot. So it's super convenient, and we think that it's going to be really useful for everyone to build great Gen AI apps. So in the post just now, if you scroll down, you'll see an Iris Vector Search GitHub, and I'll just share my screen really quickly. Oh, this is work. Oh, sorry. Looks like I share my screen. It's my computer. But if you check out the GitHub, there are 3 quick starts that will allow you to, that are basically tutorials that get you started on how to use our vector search. You can either run it through SQL natively, or you can use LangChain. We have a LangChain integration and also an Llama index integration. So there's a wide variety of ways in which you can use our software. So we're really looking for great applications of Gen AI. You can also use our integrated ML if you like to. But the key thing that we're looking for is using our vector search and really creating value with the latest technologies that we're seeing on the market. So Dean, if you could, is there a place for them to, let's say, ask questions if they bump into issues using our latest features?
Let me pass it to Evgeny or Anastasia for where people.
Yes, sure. It's Evgeny. Yes, of course. Everyone can raise the questions in a special Discord chat. Yeah, we will share it in the chat, in the Zoom chat now. And of course, on developer community, there is announcement of this contest. You can raise your questions in comments and in Discord. And just open a new post like, hey, here is my question, general questions of whatever related to vector search. Please don't hesitate to ask questions. This is also for that.
Yeah, so if you bump into any issues of using our software or our demos, please reach out and let us know. And also, throughout this month of building cool projects, feel free to also give us feedback. We're always looking to improve our features as much as possible. And you guys, as users of this latest release, would really know best. Tommy, do you have anything to add?
Had to come off mute. No, I thank you very much, Alvin and Dean, for explaining stuff. I think that one thing I would like to share is that we're excited to just see the different applications people will come up with, and also really encourage people to think about making reusable things and toolkits as well, things that can be installed and distributed as packages with our InterSystems Package Manager, be able to share and get some other contributions from other people, team up together and tackle different parts of the bigger solution is something that's encouraged as well. So very happy to answer any questions and look forward to seeing all the creative things you guys do.
Are there any questions from those on the meeting right now? All right. Well, that's it. Again, pretty exciting news. Both the technology and the opportunity in this contest. Again, we're super excited to see what's next. Evgeny, did you have something?
Yeah, yes. And I just wanted to announce that usually with every contest we have a set of what we call technology bonuses. Yes, and maybe I will just go through what we introduce with vector search and AI GenAI contest. Yeah, let me do that. Okay, can you see my screen? Yeah. I'm on a developer community site, and yes, so as Dean said, there will be voting for the best open source implementation of InterSystems IRIS with vector search, GenAI or integrated ML, and experts will vote, and also you can get what we call like bonus technology points, and you will get, if you like implement vector search, you get like 5 integrated ML, embedded Python. So it's a set of features of InterSystems IRIS, and which you implement in your solutions and get more like get more benefits amongst other solutions in voting. Hey, yes, and I will share this link to this page in the chat, so quickly. And quickly go through. So first is vector search, of course. This is a vector search contest, and its usage has the most of points, 5 points. Also, there is another technology, AI ML technology, integrated ML. It's an extension of SQL extension of InterSystems SQL. If you use it, that helps you to implement AutoML scenarios. Use it and get 3 points more. Then embedded Python. You can build solutions using the InterSystems IRIS in Python. This technology called embedded Python. Follow it, get 3 points more. We have a set of yes. If you use any LLM and or LangChain solutions, you will get 3 points more. There will be a questionnaire about solutions that will be introduced later this week. And we encourage that you use the Docker container in your solutions. So this is that's why you can collect 2 more points for Docker container usage and as well as IPM. Why? Because this is it is much easier for everyone else to test your technologies. So it can be done either with container or test and contribute also. Test with IPM as a deployment tool, and container is to test also and contribute. Of course, if you introduce online demo, you get 2 points more because it's much more easier to understand what you do if you just see and play with that. We have ideas portal. It is here. So if you click on this, you can get the ideas portal. You can check here community ideas. It is listed community opportunity status. If you implement any of them, you get 4 more bonus points. If you happen to find some bugs, I doubt, but if you will get 2 points more, and you can contribute to 3 as issues to 3 different GitHub repositories. This is special for vector search. Just create an issue here. So if it's relevant and how to reproduce it, so you get 2 points more. You can get collected only 1 time per each technology, vector search, integrated ML, embedded Python. So because it's more for development, not for bugging, find the bug contest. So, but 1 counts, 1 bug counts. And of course, tell about your solution on the developer community here, get 2 more points for 1 article, 1 more point for the second. First time contribution, yes, you have a handicap of 3 points. publish video on YouTube, 3 points more, and also suggest a new idea to idea portal related to generative AI, so like vector search, generative AI, machine learning, get 1 point more. Thank you so much. Any questions? And yes, we have. Do we have any questions in chat?
You guys see my screen?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Finally got it fixed. Yeah, so this is what I wanted to show you guys, that this link is also there. This is a repository, IRIS Vector Search, that really lets you get started with vector search really quickly. So we have some quick starting steps for you. You can either run it in a container or use your own local Python environment. Basically, you spin up a container of IRIS and you can connect to it really easily with these 3 basic demos: SQL demo, LangChain demo, and Llama demo. So if we just click here, there's also a README with the SQL syntax, with how to use all the vector search functions. I'll quickly just run through this demo. So this shows you how to connect. As you can see here, it's really simple with the instructions in the homepage. This is a really simple example of us using a data set of different types of whiskey. So we're cleaning it. We're creating a table with a vector data type over here. We're transforming the data into embeddings, and we're storing it into the database. So you can see here that now we have all the vectors, and this vector represents this description. Do some simple insert statements, and then now we can, here's the magic. Let's say we're looking for an earthy and creamy taste in our whiskey, and we also want a scotch that costs less than $100. We can do the search together. We don't need to do it separately. We can do select top 3 where price is less than 100, and also search based on the semantic relevance. And what we get here is 3 whiskeys that have the most similar description to what I was searching for. This is a very basic example of what you can do, but really showcases how you can do hybrid search, where you're searching based on structured information, like price less than 100, and also based on language. So this is probably where you will get started with all of your projects, and feel free to let me know or let any one of us know if there are any issues with the code here. So there was a question about whether applications using vector search, but not with AI, will be accepted. Yes, I understand that, the contest says GenAI and ML, and that is technically, we're not just doing that, because we're also doing vector search, and that's not generative. But so long you use our software, if you're using vector search without the generative portion, that's also fine. We're really looking for the most technical and the most innovative solutions that uses our stuff. And if you have any clarifications along the way, just let us know. Oh, I'll send a repository. Okay, perfect. It's there. Yeah, that's all for me. Dean?
Wonderful. Thank you, Alvin.
Just
Did you
just a
wanna-
remark.
Oh.
Just a remark from my side. I ported this example to be just running from object script without any Python around and all the other stuff. So there are 2 examples, one for vector search, and the other, and also the other one. So that is really packed into IRIS only, and it's not total without Python, but almost, just as an information.
Sounds good. All right. I think that's a wrap. Thank you all for watching. Again, we're very excited as always about the contest and what you all produce, and let us know if you have any feedback, as people said, on Discord or within the developer community. Thank you so much.